Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a Vercel account, so please listen carefully. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your Vercel.com website, and then you'll just have to click this button right here which says sign up. And now that you're here, what you will do is choose a sign up method. So it could be or choose a plan type, which is either I'm working on commercial projects for pro and I'm working on personal projects for hobby. So for example, this one. And now what you will have to do is fill out this field with your name. So it could be anything, really depends on what name you have. And now what you will do is you can either continue with Google, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or continue with your email so that you will be able to successfully create your account. And yeah, that's basically just it. And finally, your account will be created, and you can now create projects and deploy them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.